today we will be learning how to make this little thing right here. It has the 4 different pages: blog, contact, support, and login. Yeah, we will be making this today. It's gonna be super cool. This is all the code I will use, as you can see here. Yeah, it looks like a lot, but it's actually not. Yeah, so that's what all the code is, and okay, so I'm going to start here by, to start with the HTML, I'm using Sublime. All you have to do is push HTML and push enter, and I'm adding a title. I'm going to add a little text that I added at the bottom at the beginning. Hello, fellow internet sweepers. Yes. And that's the font I will be using. You can copy that if you want, or just look up some fonts, but I will be using that one. I'm just going to get in the general area, so I'm going to create a header, and then a div, and then a nav, but I don't do that yet because I'm smart. So I'm going to start off in the body by getting the color. I actually mess up. It's not FFF, it's 444, but oh well, who cares, right? Font family, sans serif. This is the special font I'm using. It's called Work Sans. It's a special type of font. Yeah, so as you can see there, it's the same thing. So now we will go to the header. Well, we actually won't. I'm just creating all the gaps we will be using. 1 second here. Okay, so the color for that. Oh, that does. Basically, remember when I hovered over it and it said, and it turned black? Yeah, that's what that is. So let's create the background blue of the thing on the top that we looked at, and the shadow. So when I hovered over it, the shadow got bigger. That's what I'm adding now. It's gonna be 15 pixels to begin with, and the color is, that's blue, or that's the color I want. Is blue is be 00225 or 255. But since it's a shadow, I want to make it a little bit less blue by adding those 20s. So I'm just gonna add it again to make it a little more darker, and then as you'll see here, oh, and that last 4th number isn't actually a color, it's the opacity, which basically means how thick it is, or no, how much, like, if you could see through it, like, yeah, like how much white it is, I guess. And there you go. As you can see here, we have the blue top. It's the white background. So now I'm adding the navigation bar. It's a special type of code you can use. With the UL and I, it automatically does that for me because I'm cool. I'm just gonna type in all my stuff here. About and blog. There we go. I kind of messed up there. Who cares? Yeah. So let's use that. I guess I'm being fun. I'm changing it. And yeah, where those hashtags are, that's where you put your next page. So the width of the entire thing, 80%, which basically means how tall it is. I know it's weird, but that's what it means. Margin 0 auto. It just makes it small. Font size, you don't really need to know about that, but font size 15 pixels. That's way too small. I messed up on this, but it's fine. Yeah, background white. There we go. Now I added the background. The color was white. That's right, but the background is that color, which is kind of grayish. Header after. Okay, this is a weird thing. I don't even know what it means really, but you just need it, or else it won't work. So yeah, your code won't work without it, but It looks the same because I messed up. The text is blue, so you can't see it. I'll fix that though in a minute. So I'm just making the margin 0, which it just makes it closer to the edge. And the color, that is white with a little bit of gray. That's what that last number is for that one specifically. So UL list. So this is basically the list, and I don't want it to have that little dot at the beginning like you might have. And text decoration. I'm actually doing this on the wrong line, and I'm also doing the code wrong itself. That needs to be on NAV A, but I just messed up. I'll fix it later. Flip. Okay. You should know what that means. Basically, yeah, like as you can see, it makes it go to the right as I just hovered over. Display and then block. So this means that it'll be separated, and it can be basically it'll make it go from left to right and not up to bottom. Padding. That just means how much space there is around the text, and it's on the left side. So how much space there is next to it on the left. Color. We're gonna change the text to white. Yes, so as you can see here, it is white. It's amazing. So back to here, I'm gonna create a margin on the UL, and the padding is 2. Margin is 0. And yeah, as you can see here, I messed up. The nav A needs the text decoration none, and I still spelled it wrong, but that's fine. Padding left 25. I don't know. It's kind of like a thing. Yeah, that's the bottom. That's better. So yeah, just how many spaces there are on the right and top, just so there's a good area. And then color for the text is white. That's good. And so now, as you can see here, they are white, but I still spelled it wrong, so the underline is still there. So I'm gonna make the font size better, correctly sized at least, and I'm gonna font size align. So I'll move the font to the center, and then that's not a thing. I don't know why I did that, but there we go. Yes, 5. That's actually wrong. It's not 5, it's 10, but I do that later. So I'm just trying to fix the text right now, because I think it's not working, but it actually is. I just mixed one little line of code up, but I'll fix that later. Don't worry about it. Yeah, it's still gonna do it. Hey, but I fixed the thing, text decoration on, so that was no underline. Transform uppercase. This is what I need. So now it will look correct. Yeah. So as you can see here, that's the same text that it was in there, but we're not done yet. Yes. So as you can see, it used the link to tell what the thing was. So okay, so let's get rid of that. You don't really need it. Here we go. That's what I was mixing up. So the nav, just 20 and 0, so now it will be thicker. And this is it done, but I just forgot to add the what's it called? Yeah, that's actually margin. Yeah, I don't know that. Still the same thing. Oh yeah, the hover. So now there's a shadow, and the text isn't big enough. It needs to be 10. There we go. So this is it. Finished product. Make sure to hit that like button, because why not? It's free. Yeah.